Welcome. In front of me is a TCL 10 SE, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, we will need to open up Settings. From there, scroll down to Storage. Tap on your SD card. Once it loads your storage, tap on the three dots and go to Storage Settings, where you'll find the option to Format. Now when you tap on it, it will give you a message that performing this will basically remove everything that is on that card. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Erase and Format and let the process begin. Now this will take only a couple seconds, and once it's finished, it should give us a message. There we go. So click on Done and we're finished. And if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.